Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Time for another episode of Bargain Eats and Treats. It's 25 degrees right now. What a better time for ice cream. If you want to learn more, I'll be right back. Okay, I just walked out of the Dairy Queen, and yeah, I have my tray. I'll have a link to this down in the description box. But I got the extra peanut buttery Reese's Pieces. It's just a Reese's Pieces Blizzard, okay? Not the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, but the Reese's Pieces Blizzard. And I get extra peanut butter added. Now, a lot of people don't know you can have like extra peanut butter added to your Blizzard. Like they have the strawberry cheesecake. You can get strawberry syrup added to that. The Reese's Cup Blizzard, you can get peanut butter syrup added to it, chocolate syrup, whatever you want. But I figured I'd go ahead and let you guys know you could actually do this because a lot of people don't know you can do it. It's really ain't a bargain. I got the extra large Reese's Pieces with extra peanut butter added. It's around $8. So, but let's go ahead, give it a taste. Yeah, that extra peanut butter just adds another layer to the Blizzard. It tastes awesome. So, if you're in the Gettysburg area, they have two Dairy Queens. And this one's on York Street. It's been here for like 60 years. Now, it's not a Dairy Queen ice cream and grill, or whatever they call it. They don't have hamburgers and all that. But the other Dairy Queen in Gettysburg does, so I'll be doing a future video on that. They only serve ice cream here. But if you're in the area, I definitely give them a try. Add some kind of syrup to it, like chocolate syrup, strawberry syrup, to your Blizzard to see how you like it. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.